Hey, Rockin' Borders. How are you doing, bro? I'm going to be making a couple more videos for you, dude, for the first time, and I'm kind of bad because my parents are not going to find out. My mom monitors my channel, so the day that she's telling me she's going to take it, I'm going to take off my burp videos. So if you're wondering why my burp videos are going to be off my channel, because I don't want my mom to find out. So I'm going to be doing some loud belches for you, bro. So here we go. Crap, my mom's home. Bye, Rockin' Borders.